because we genuinely love and care about our senior citizens.
This year, I have to big up the team from OPM because the number of seniors being catered to this year is probably 2 times what we had last year. And we have been growing and growing and growing in terms of the seniors participating in the OPM Senior Street.
I want to thank you for coming. I hope that you will enjoy the provisions that have been made, and I hope that you will understand the reasoning behind what we are doing as well. Because it is the Christmas season and an opportunity for fellowship and for me to see you face to face.
My love won't rise and my love won't drop. I'm in the middle. I can't stop loving you. No, I don't want to hide my love for you. And you don't know.
I want to wish for you peace, health, prosperity, and happiness for the Christmas season. May the light of the Lord shine on you and give you peace and joy in this season.
I hope you have a wonderful rest of the holiday season. We love you, so enjoy yourself, enjoy the season, and we look forward to seeing you next year. Keep good.